One of our projects this summer is to change out the impellers on both of our Reverso Oil Change pumps that we have. These pumps are external to the engines, and they allow us to flip a switch and either pump oil out of the engines or pump oil back into the engines, either one. And so as I was changing the oil this past week, in both engines the pumps failed. And so the first thing you check is to see if the impellers have had a problem. And so here is the impeller out of this one. 2 of the 6 blades are left on. So I would say it's time to change. So I fished out the other impellers from in here. So I think I'm good to go on that. Funny thing that I noticed, as you can see, this is an oil change pump. And then if you look on this case here, the case cover, I don't know if you can see that, but it says on there, do not pump flammable liquids. And that goes right here on this pump that is built to pump oil. Go figure. Here you can see the price for these impellers if I search for them by the brand name of my pump. $33 and $48. Let's see if I can find a better deal. Well, isn't this interesting? I've done a search now, leaving off the brand name and just putting in the size that I need, the material that I need it to be made out of, and the type of connector that I need for it to have. And I can, instead of paying $33 or $48 for one, I can buy 5 here for less than $20. What do you think? I think I'll buy this one. I am working on the Reverso oil changing pump today that's not working, and I've been following the electrical current through all the connections, replaced a couple of wires and a couple of the connectors, but I think I have a short actually in the pump itself. Something, the brushes are messed up, something. I'm getting a short error. So this is where I am at the moment. I've got all of the components taken off of the pump, and I'm down to just the pump, and I'm getting ready to take this apart and see if I can find out what's going on inside that's causing it not to work. Wish me luck. So this is the Reverso oil changing pump that's been giving me such a headache, and I've got it rebuilt with the help of Leo Hilke, and I now have it connected to the battery over here on the car. So we're going to give it a shot and see if she runs. Wish us luck. Sounds like it's running pretty good to me. That's the Reverso oil pump reinstalled on the port side, and she's working perfectly.